What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insight on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investment. I'm your host, Serena Jiang, economist with the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we share why we're still like Japan in global stocks. Japanese stocks are still among our favorites. Corporate governance reforms are translating into tangible shareholder gains. We also see the AI theme playing out globally. Corporate reforms are delivering results for shareholders of Japanese stocks. For decades, Japan's companies held a sizable portion of each other's stocks. The practice cemented ties between companies, but it also allowed them to resist pressure to improve performance and deterred outside investors. That's now changed. Foreign investment in Japanese stocks has increased, and share buybacks, a clear sign of reforms taking root, have surged. The first 8 months of this year have already seen almost as many buybacks as last year's total. Our long-held preference for Japanese equities has delivered. Corporate return on equity is now near its highest level in 4 decades. We think this can continue as we see the Bank of Japan remains cautious in its policy normalization. We should have greater clarity on policy after the upcoming election for the leader of the Liberal Democratic Party. The top 2 candidates, Shinjiro Koizumi and Sanai Takaichi, may differ on monetary policy, but both back looser fiscal policy. This could push long-term yields higher, as Japan's debt is already more than double the size of its GDP. Accordingly, we stay underweight government bonds. We see the AI theme playing out, both in Japan and globally. In Japan, AI is key to addressing demographic challenges and builds on the country's strength in robotics, automation, and semiconductor materials. The AI theme has also been an important driver of returns in mainland China, Taiwan, and South Korea, each developing models or providing components for the AI build-out. And it continues to drive US equities. Here's our market take. Japan's ongoing reform progress is boosting corporate performance and returns. We stay overweight Japanese equities and underweight bonds. We also see signs of the AI theme playing out globally that keep us positive. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
Material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com/the bid.